Ultra-realistic humanoid female robot with a beautiful European face, blonde, straight hair, wearing a sleek, futuristic black armor suit with number 7 and German flag patch on the chest. The robot is standing in a modern exhibition hall, with people and futuristic banners blurred in the background. A human engineer in a black outfit carefully adjusts and connects colorful wires from the robot's torso. The robot's expression is calm and lifelike, blinking slowly as if reacting to the adjustments. Cinematic lighting, 8K hyper-realism, smooth camera movement from chest to face, futuristic atmosphere, sci-fi realism.